What's up guys, welcome to the internet Moola. In today's video I am going to show you how you can edit your nickname on Discord. So the first step, open your account and then click on the gear icon or the user settings icon. After that, go to my account and then you're gonna find the username. So now click edit and then change the username to whatever you want and type your current password and click done. After that, you're gonna be able to change your your username without any problem. You may need to do other steps, like for example authenticator, or for example like the security keys if you have that. If you don't, it's gonna be easy for you. So if you like this video, click on the like button, subscribe on our YouTube channel to get more tutorials. Thank you guys for watching this video.